Apo, I ordered 5. Order everyone for my snack tomorrow. A banana wrapped with a lumpia wrapper, guys. It's also can use for egg roll. That, so, kuya, do that. Gawin mo na sigurong 7, kuya. Okay. This the one doing it.
Sige. Sige, ano papagawa sa akin? Ha? Sige na. Ano papagawa eh?
10 na lang siguro, kuya. Para, hindi ka na mahirapan. 10. Apo. I order 70 pesos everyone. For one order is 9 pesos. So, it's okay. It can use also, guys, for a lumpia Shanghai. If you do a egg roll. Sa ilang araw, kuya, marami kang ginagawa niyan.
Ikaw ngayon lang po, kalahati lang.
2 kalahating sako? Okay. Sa isang araw yon?
Mamayang gabi lang, madaling araw lang po. Kalahati na yun.
2 kalahati. He is 2.5 sack of the flour and he's starting now. And he gonna finish for adult almost maybe 3 o'clock in the morning here because it's evening here, everyone. I think the time here is 6:21 in the evening here, everyone, and Kuya start his job now, and then he finished at dawn. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning, I guess. So he's only. Ikaw lang mag-isang gumagawa niyan?
Palitan po. Bukas po yung kapalitan.
Okay, there are 2 shifter. Tomorrow have another. I'll do that also, everyone. Because it's an easy, it's hot. I interviewed to Kuya how he made it. And he's a very nice person, guys. Okay, I'm done now, guys. Thank you. My order is already. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a blessed day, everyone.